Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to draw a volcano. What you need is a simple smooth drawing paper, a fine liner, graphite and some markers and maybe an eraser. Now what I'm using is a Staedtler fine liner 0.3, a graphite bar. That's this one. Very nice to make graphite powder with. I will show you later. And of course my brush pens for the colors. I'm going to do this step by step with you. Step 1 is to draw in the mountain, the volcano itself. And the volcano is drawn in the center of your drawing. Now you will need not much lines for this, and I also put in some scribbly lines to make the surface of the rocks and the surface of the volcano itself. And here is a little edge. Then step 2. Draw land around the volcano. Make the lines come towards you. Step 3 is to draw in the horizon. Here you can see it. But with that horizon also some perspective lines are in order. So here you see the lines that are also coming towards you, and this is the edge of the land around the volcano. As you can see, because I'm drawing in the edges, I will have space to draw in the lava that is later in the drawing coming out of the volcano. On top of the horizon, I draw in a skyline of mountains. Step 4. Draw the explosion. Now, of course, as the volcano is erupting, then all kinds of fire and lava are coming out. And step 5 is to also draw in some rocks that are thrown out of the crater by that big explosion of that volcano. Some rocks here are at the bottom of the mountain. Then step 6. I will start to draw in shadows. So I take my graphite bar and then I give color to the volcano itself. Also a little bit in the fire and some shadows underneath the rocks. And graphite is gray, of course, so that is an ideal color to draw in a rocky surface of the volcano. I also use the graphite for shadows on the edges of the stream in which the lava will go into later on in the drawing. Here I put in some little lines, and as they come forward they get a little bit bigger, and that is going to be our lava. I also color in a little bit the mountains that are way in the back on top of the horizon. Step 7. Draw in smoke. Now what I did is I've cut out from a carton a cloud, and what I did then is I took a knife and then make my own graphite powder. If you're not allowed to use a knife, please ask your parents. Then take a little bit of graphite on the tip of your finger and go around your cut out cloud of carton. This is a very, very easy way to make clouds or smoke in this case and you can use it in any kind of drawing. It is so much fun to do. You can see how easy you can get the graphite into your paper just by rubbing in a little bit of graphite powder you make yourself. Then I get rid of the rubble a little bit. And then it is time for step 8. Now we are going to draw in the actual lava and fire. First, I take a yellow marker and I also draw in some streams that are coming down from the volcano and then into those rivers of lava. Next is my orange marker. I use it beside the yellow, and together they will start to give color to that stream of lava. Here is my red marker. So I just make a combination of some colors, and of course you can add even more if you want. But these are nice and bright colors to give that lava that nice color. As your drawing continues, you can pick up your graphite pencil again and draw in extra shadows and maybe a little texture into the rocks of that volcano, and then you can rub that also in with a finger to get that special 3D effect. Well, this is so much fun to do. I hope you will give this video a big thumbs up, and I wish you all the luck on your drawing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.